Hello everyone, welcome back to another lesson. And in this lesson I want to talk about custom offense email templates. So basically what those are, they're a way to modify the default emails that are being sent from QRadar about your alerts. You can modify them. So if I go to one of my detections, for example this one, I can edit it to have the response to send an email, right? And under here, I can select the event email template. So currently we only have the default one, which doesn't really work out for most people. And in this lesson, we're going to see how we can modify it, okay? So it's not a very intuitive process, unfortunately. So we will have to connect to the console using SSH. And then we have to go to /store, right? Config services. Staging. Global config. And templates and custom alerts. And then you have alert config.xml, right? So I'm going to provide a link to my own config, which you guys can download. But let's go ahead and open this, right? Make it a bit easier to read. And I'm going to go copy my template and paste it here. So let's take an example. A general rule offense. So that's the name of the template. And the template type is event. It's active set to true. The subject is what subject will be sent to your email address. You give it a variable name of the rule name. And then security alert, which is a static string. And in the body, you can format it in any way you want. So we can see that we have rule name, category, event name, event description, and then you just set their string and then to the variable name from curator side. Tenant, it's pretty advanced, but we're using AQL custom property. Gonna talk about that in later parts of the course. But you can edit any of those templates. You can create new ones. And IBM also have in their documentation let's try to find it. Yeah, this one. They have a list of all of the properties you can add and instructions on how to do it. So you have a list here and they give you some examples. So make sure to read that and familiarize yourself with it. But we saved our templates, right? So we want to be able to use them. And the reason, the way to do that is to modify the file like we've done. And then we have to enter the following command, which is a script. It's going to validate the correctness of our configuration. So we actually, let's go ahead and run it. And now it says file was deployed successfully to staging, right? And now if you go back to the admin tab, we have to deploy changes, right? To go ahead and deploy it. So I'm going to deploy the changes, and I'm going to pause the video here. And after the deploy finishes, I'll show you that we can use those templates. Okay, guys, welcome back. And as we can see, our deploy finished. And if we go back to our detection in Use Case Manager, give it a refresh. Now we'll be able to see that we have different kinds of templates here. And if you specify an email address here, you'll be able to basically be notified whenever this detection is triggering based on the template you configured in the XML file. So this has been it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.